This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo V40 supports NFC and by freeing the antenna. Remove bulky cases and place the phone on a flat surface. Once done, you open Settings, go to Connections or More Connection Settings, locate NFC and toggle it on. You do this now because the NFC radio must be active for tags or payments to be detected, and a charged phone prevents interruptions. Make sure NFC is visible to other devices while you proceed. Next, you configure how NFC behaves. Choose Tap and Pay if you use mobile payments or set tag reading if you scan NFC tags. Then enable host card emulation and pick your preferred payment app so transactions route correctly. After that, test with a working NFC tag or contactless card. Tap the phone's upper back over the tag. If the phone reads data or triggers the payment prompt, the setup is correct. If not, repeat the previous step and ensure no cases interfere. Finally, complete the process by locking and unlocking your phone and testing NFC with the screen active, since many devices require the screen on to interact. If a read or payment fails, restart the phone, re-enable NFC, and try again. This often resets the NFC service. If problems persist, remove the case, update system software, and clear the NFC service app's cache in Settings. This resolves most issues. If none of that helps, try a different NFC tag or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.